Got dirty makeup brushes? Let's fix that in a flash. First up, gather your supplies: mild soap or brush cleaner, lukewarm water and a clean towel. Step 1. Wet the brush. Run those bristles under lukewarm water until they're fully soaked. Next, apply a small amount of soap or cleaner to your palm. Swirl the brush around, giving those bristles a gentle massage. This helps to break down all that built-up makeup and oils. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until the soap is completely gone. Then, gently squeeze out the excess water, but be careful not to pull on the bristles. Reshape the bristles with your fingers and lay the brush flat on a clean towel to air dry. Remember, no heat. It can damage those delicate bristles. And there you have it, a clean, fresh brush ready to give you flawless makeup every time. Clean your brushes weekly, handle them with care, and they'll last you a long time. Happy brushing.